financial potential of Tesla's Optimus is indeed substantial, characterized by a projected monthly profit of $3,200 and an impressive annual return of 384%. This remarkable outlook establishes Optimus as a compelling investment opportunity within the evolving landscape of automation technology. However, despite its attractive profit potential, investors must consider inherent risks, including technology reliability and unforeseen maintenance costs that may influence overall profitability. A comprehensive understanding of these risks is crucial for informed decision-making among potential investors. In addition, market competition and Tesla's operational strategies play pivotal roles in determining the success of Optimus. Variations in market demand or the emergence of alternative technological solutions could significantly impact rental rates and the stability of income derived from this investment. Optimus operates according to a structured workday, commencing with diagnostics and progressing through various tasks such as assembly and quality control, thereby maximizing operational efficiency. This systematic approach not only enhances productivity but also reinforces the reliability of the output. Furthermore, the leaseback model presents distinct advantages for both Tesla and individual investors. This arrangement facilitates passive income for asset owners while simultaneously enabling Tesla to optimize labor costs and enhance overall productivity. Nevertheless, challenges such as maintenance-related downtime and the necessity for adaptability in programming could adversely affect profitability. Thus, establishing a reliable management system for Optimus is essential to mitigate these potential issues. Elon Musk has emphasized the substantial advancements and transformative potential of the Optimus Gen 3, highlighting its anticipated leap in design and functionality compared to earlier iterations. This progress reflects Tesla's commitment to innovation within the robotics domain. Looking ahead, future iterations of Optimus, including version 3.5, aim to enhance task complexity and precision, thereby broadening its applicability from industrial environments to household tasks.
This strategic expansion illustrates a forward-thinking vision for the technology's integration into daily life.
The development of Optimus is inherently complex, necessitating the resolution of intricate engineering challenges. This process requires the creation of custom-built components and the seamless integration of hardware and software to achieve optimal performance in various operational contexts. Newly developed head design of Optimus V3 incorporates a seamless visor that significantly enhances machine vision. This innovation enables the robot to process images at remarkably high speeds, thereby improving its overall operational capabilities. Furthermore, the integration of high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors within the Optimus head facilitates precise identification of objects and potential hazards. Such specifications are crucial for ensuring the robot's navigation and safety in various environments. In addition, the lightweight structure of Optimus 5.3, which weighs approximately 125 pounds, significantly enhances its maneuverability and energy efficiency. This aspect is particularly vital for ensuring safe operations in human-dominated environments, thereby promoting effective mobility. Moreover, Optimus Gen 3's walking speed is intentionally designed to be slower than that of humans, with a primary focus on stability and precision. This design choice is especially important in environments such as warehouses and factories, where the robot must navigate without risk of tripping or colliding with obstacles. Elon Musk emphasizes that the integration of Optimus Gen 3's physical capabilities with advanced artificial intelligence lends it a notable scalability. This attribute enables the rapid implementation of updates and facilitates knowledge sharing across multiple units, potentially revolutionizing labor-intensive industries by markedly enhancing efficiency. The durability of Optimus presents a significant advantage, as it can operate effectively in harsh conditions without succumbing to overheating or the need for hydration, unlike human workers. This capability enables the robot to function continuously in demanding environments such as disaster zones, where human intervention may be limited. Additionally, Optimus's ability to adapt to unforeseen situations, such as catching a falling box, exemplifies its intelligence and flexibility within work environments. This adaptability distinguishes it from traditional robotic systems, enhancing its utility in dynamic settings. The bipedal design and inherent agility of Optimus render it particularly suitable for agricultural tasks, allowing the robot to navigate farms efficiently without reliance on tracks. This capability significantly enhances productivity in agricultural operations. Safety remains a paramount concern for Optimus, as it possesses the ability to identify and avoid human motion patterns. This functionality is crucial for ensuring safe operation within factories, thereby facilitating compliance with necessary regulatory approvals in industrial contexts. Transitioning to 4,680 battery cells contributes to Optimus's lighter and more efficient design, resulting in a weight reduction of 22 pounds while preserving its operational capabilities. This advancement enhances its functionality as a versatile service robot across multiple domains. Optimus employs video-based learning techniques, allowing it to rapidly acquire new tasks by observing real-world videos. This approach represents a significant advancement over traditional programming methods, enabling swift skill acquisition and error correction. Elon Musk envisions a future where Optimus plays a pivotal role in Mars missions, leveraging its humanoid structure and autonomous navigation capabilities to adapt effectively to the challenging Martian terrain. This prospect opens new avenues for exploration and construction in extraterrestrial environments. The capabilities of Optimus Gen 3 extend to managing domestic chores, such as watering plants and scrubbing counters, thereby showcasing its versatility as a domestic assistant. This evolution positions it as an integral member of the family, rather than merely a tool. Moreover, the robot's design prioritizes hygiene, incorporating antimicrobial materials and intricate hands that minimize wear and tear, thus ensuring safety during food preparation processes. This emphasis on cleanliness enhances its appropriateness for everyday tasks. Optimus learns tasks through simple visual demonstrations, responding effectively to gestures rather than depending on complex programming. This user-friendly approach renders it accessible, particularly for individuals facing communication challenges. Distinct from traditional robots, Optimus is engineered to operate in complex environments, equipped with autonomous navigation and spatial mapping capabilities that are groundbreaking in their scope and application. The deployment of Optimus robots addresses pressing labor shortages across various industries, with projections indicating that hundreds of thousands of workers are needed in sectors like manufacturing and logistics. This development could lead to notable increases in efficiency and productivity. Beyond the confines of Earth, Musk envisions Optimus contributing significantly to Mars missions by assisting in the construction of critical infrastructure, such as solar power stations and environmental sensors. This potential underscores the robot's versatility and capability to thrive in extreme conditions. New design incorporates a titanium-aluminum alloy frame, reducing its weight to just 99 pounds. This lightweight structure facilitates precise movements and boosts agility compared to traditional heavier robots. Furthermore, Optimus Gen 3's AI-driven perception system, powered by Tesla's cutting-edge Dojo V3 chip, adeptly processes high-resolution video frames at incredible speeds. This capability allows for real-time spatial analysis with minimal error rates, marking a significant innovation. Additionally, a groundbreaking training methodology enables Optimus to rapidly acquire skills through imitation. Remarkably, it can master new tasks in under 45 seconds, significantly outpacing competitors who require more extended training periods. Moreover, Tesla's robust performance evaluation system ensures that only the most accurate tasks are executed, achieving negligible deviation while demonstrating remarkable energy efficiency. This sets a new standard for robotic performance across the industry. Transitioning to its operational capabilities, Optimus Gen 3 effectively navigates complex terrains and executes tasks with human-like reflexes. This improvement over the G1's capabilities greatly enhances its functional versatility in various environments. In addition, real-time environmental awareness, driven by Tesla's Dojo V3 chip, equips Optimus to respond almost instantaneously to changes. This ensures operational safety in fast-paced settings, contrary to the slower responses observed in traditional robots. Moreover, Optimus's dynamic adaptability to unpredictable environments significantly boosts its effectiveness in warehouses and construction sites, allowing it to outperform conventional robots like the Unitree G1. On the other hand, UBTECH's Walker S2 features an autonomous battery swapping technology, which, while providing reliable operation, requires extensive maintenance and cost considerations compared to Optimus's simpler, more efficient system. Finally, the integration of Tesla's charging infrastructure with Optimus leads to reduced energy costs and increased operational uptime, establishing it as a sustainable choice in comparison to its competitors. The latest shoulder and arm system features a state-of-the-art ball-end socket design, which significantly enhances flexibility and precision in manipulation. This advancement greatly amplifies the robot's overall capabilities. Utilizing lightweight materials, Optimus 3 not only boosts agility but also allows for the transportation of heavier loads. This development optimizes work efficiency across diverse environments. Powered by an advanced neural network, Optimus distinguishes itself by learning complex tasks through observation. This ability sets it apart from other robots that often struggle to adapt in similar situations. Optimus's vision system plays a crucial role in its operational precision, enabling it to navigate and avoid obstacles effectively in both residential and industrial environments. This technology draws inspiration from Tesla's self-driving vehicles. The hand of Generation 3 boasts 22 degrees of freedom, providing unparalleled dexterity for executing intricate tasks. This redesign addresses the previous limitations of robotic hand functionality. Real-time feedback constitutes a major breakthrough, allowing the robot to adjust its grip strength on the fly. This feature is vital for handling fragile items and performing accurate actions. With its enhanced capabilities, the Gen 3 robot excels in delicate operations, such as manipulating fragile materials and utilizing standard tools. This achievement demonstrates a significant advancement over its predecessor. The design flexibility of Gen 3 allows it to extend its usefulness into healthcare environments, showcasing its versatility beyond traditional settings. It can effectively manage tools and devices, enhancing medical workflows under supervision. Cost efficiency is realized through innovative battery technology and streamlined production methods, enabling a target price of $20,000. This affordability paves the way for widespread adoption across various sectors. Redesign of Optimus Gen 3 demonstrates a remarkable reduction in components, decreasing from over 600 to under 200. This significant transformation enhances assembly speed and markedly reduces the requirements for manual labor. Consequently, it establishes a foundation for accelerated production timelines. In addition, the employment of advanced 3D printing techniques by Tesla plays a crucial role in minimizing material waste and shortening the production cycle. This innovative process effectively transitions from initial design to functional parts, thereby supporting the company's high-volume manufacturing ambitions. Such an approach not only optimizes resource utilization but also promotes overall efficiency. Moreover, Tesla's integration of existing automotive technology into the production of robots significantly reduces capital expenditures, all while upholding rigorous quality standards and minimizing potential errors. This strategic choice capitalizes on existing infrastructure, facilitating rapid deployment within the market. Furthermore, Elon Musk asserts that Optimus will become the largest product ever developed, with projections estimating the production of up to 1 million units by the year 2027. This ambitious goal has the potential to reshape the structure of the labor force. In contrast, Tesla's employment of automation technologies derived from automotive manufacturing starkly differs from the manual assembly approach adopted by companies like Boston Dynamics. This strategic differentiation significantly reduces production costs, thereby enhancing Tesla's competitive standing in the industry. Additionally, the GigaPress contributes to the acceleration of component manufacturing for Optimus by enabling the rapid casting of parts. This advancement in technology not only increases assembly speed but also enhances overall efficiency when compared to competitors. Elon Musk sets an ambitious target for the production cost of Optimus Gen 3, aiming to bring it below $20,000. This strategic pricing initiative would make the robot more accessible compared to existing models, such as Boston Dynamics.But, thereby reflecting Tesla's commitment to democratizing robotic technology. Moreover, Tesla's utilization of pre-existing automotive hardware and software, including the full self-driving chip, substantially reduces development costs. This strategy not only enhances efficiency but also capitalizes on the advantages presented by the company's existing supply chain. The prospective business model for Optimus envisions subscription services or rental options, enabling customers to access the robot affordably. This innovative approach not only expands Tesla's market reach but also creates a sustainable long-term revenue stream that extends beyond mere hardware sales. The incorporation of ultralight polymer composites in the shell design confers enhanced durability and flexibility, all while ensuring that the robot maintains a weight substantially lower than its competitors. This material selection represents a pivotal advancement in the field of robotics. In addition, the seamless modular structure of the shell promotes easier maintenance and facilitates individual part replacements. This design choice ensures that the robot remains operational with minimal downtime, thereby enhancing overall productivity. Advanced manufacturing techniques, including injection molding, effectively streamline the production process. These methods significantly reduce both time and material waste, ultimately enhancing cost efficiency and scalability within Tesla's operations. By optimizing the use of ultralight polymer composites in the shell design, Tesla achieves not only a reduction in weight but also an increase in flexibility, ultimately enhancing both durability and operational safety.
This strategic Material quasi underscores a transformative shift in robotics manufacturing.
Furthermore, Tesla's automated shell painting process significantly diminishes labor costs and production time, thus enabling swift adjustments to shifting market demands. This efficiency provides Tesla with a competitive advantage over traditional manufacturing methods. The in-house fabrication of robot shell molds empowers Tesla to execute rapid design iterations. This capability allows the company to quickly respond to specific market needs, underscoring agility as a critical factor in maintaining a leadership position within the robotics industry. Additionally, the shell's design accommodates quick rebranding through the use of affordable decals. This feature enables companies to modify the robot's appearance without incurring extensive retooling or warranty complications, thereby enhancing operational efficiency. Tesla's approach to shell durability also includes provisions for easy panel replacements in case of cosmetic damage. This design consideration effectively reduces maintenance time and costs, resulting in higher operational uptime for businesses utilizing these robots. Finally, localized customization options afforded by Tesla enable the company to meet diverse market demands without altering the core functionalities of the robots. This level of adaptability provides a competitive edge in the global deployment of robotic technology. From Generation 1 to Generation 3 encompasses a substantial redesign, estimated at 80%, which significantly enhances the durability, flexibility, and overall functionality of the Tesla Optimus robot. This transformation is particularly evident in its adaptability to various applications across real-world environments. Furthermore, Tesla Optimus Generation 3 exhibits notable advancements in mobility. This iteration features improved weight distribution and speed, which collectively enhance its capacity to navigate complex terrains and execute a diverse array of tasks more effectively. In addition, the integration of innovative technologies, such as multimodal data processing, empowers the robot to adapt dynamically to its surroundings. This capability not only augments its collaborative abilities but also facilitates real-time obstacle avoidance, thereby significantly enhancing operational safety. Moreover, the modular design of Generation 3 employs lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber, which contribute to improved efficiency and mitigate overheating issues. These enhancements ultimately result in extended operational times, allowing for more sustained use in various environments. In terms of production, Tesla aims to manufacture between 10,000 and 12,000 units by 2026. This strategic goal not only supports a scalable manufacturing approach but also addresses potential supply chain challenges through in-house production capabilities. Additionally, Optimus Generation 3 is adeptly designed to assist with daily tasks, thus proving particularly beneficial for senior citizens. This functionality enables them to engage in more meaningful activities by alleviating the burden of labor-intensive chores. The maintenance and repair costs associated with Optimus are comparable to those of electric vehicle servicing, which positions it as a pragmatic alternative to human caregivers, whose schedules can often be unpredictable. In order to enhance accessibility, Tesla is committed to providing tailored financing options for seniors. This initiative includes low-interest loans and trade-in credits for mobility aids, thereby promoting broader adoption of the technology. Lastly, the continuous advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics indicate that Optimus has the potential to outperform human capabilities. Such progress may not only improve the quality of life for individuals but also reduce the reliance on hired assistants in various tasks. Tesla Optimus Gen 1 represented a fundamental prototype characterized by limited functionality. However, the Gen 3 iteration demonstrates enhanced performance and a design that bears a closer resemblance to human attributes. This progression underscores the substantial technological advancements achieved by Tesla. Significant enhancements in Gen 3 encompass improved durability, decreased weight, and sophisticated sensor systems. These attributes enable the robot to function effectively across a variety of environments, including both industrial settings and domestic spaces. Moreover, the robot's capability to execute complex tasks, assimilate data, and adjust to varying scenarios illustrates Tesla's dedication to innovation and its practical application within the field of robotics. The advancements in the robot allow it to independently manage over 1,000 distinct tasks, effectively highlighting its versatility for diverse applications in both residential and industrial contexts. This development marks a significant milestone in the evolution of robotics technology. In its pursuit of efficiency, Tesla endeavors to lower production costs by minimizing component count and implementing advanced materials. This strategic approach anticipates a consumer price point starting around $20,000, thereby enhancing the scalability of the Optimus project. Elon Musk envisions making the Optimus robot affordable in comparison to electric vehicles, with a targeted price reduction to between $20,000 and $30,000 as production capabilities expand. Such a shift has the potential to revolutionize the robotics market. The primary objective of Optimus is to boost productivity by